Hey guys, in this video we will going to teach you how you can add thank you page in your WordPress WooCommerce. So what is thank you page? So let's first understand you have one product and services website. So after someone will going to purchase product and services from your website, they will go to thank you page. So in thank you page, you can say your customers who has purchased from your website that thanks for purchasing, and there in thank you page you can offer more of your product and services. So with the help of thank you page you can increase conversions or you can increase more sales. Also, second benefit of thank you page is that you can track conversion. So if you're running any type of paid advertising and if you want to see how many of the people has purchased your product and services which you are promoting from any paid advertising, so with the help of thank you page you can easily identify those people who has purchased something from your website. Okay, so this is the very simple scenario of thank you page. It is very much important and I will suggest everyone of you to add one thank you page. So it's very simple. You simply have to go to plugins. From here click on add new. Now from here you need to search cart flows, C-A-R-T cart F-L-O-W-S. Okay, you need to simply type this inside search bar, and after you will do that you will see this is the first plugin. You simply have to click on install now, and then you need to click on activate. So now you can see that this plugin is successfully activated. So guys, after you will add cart flows, you need to add one more plugin that is called as Elementor. Just click on add new. So if you already have Elementor, then no problem. Otherwise you simply have to search here Elementor, E-L-E-M-E-N-T-O-R, Elementor. Okay, this is the spelling. You simply have to search it this, and from here you simply have to click on install now, and then you simply need to click on activate. So after you will do that, simply refresh your WordPress website like this, and after you will do that you simply have to go to the cart flow option which is in left corner, and from here just click on flows. Now here you need to click on add new, and from here just click on start from scratch. Enter the flow name, let's say name it as global checkout like this, and click on design your flow. Now you can see these are the pages which are created now. So from here you will see this sales landing. You simply have to delete this. Okay, so to delete this just click on these three dots here and click on delete. Okay, so you have successfully deleted your sales landing. Now you have checkout and thank you page. So from here you simply have to click on edit. So now after you will come to here, you simply have to click on go to WordPress editor. Okay, in this option, after you will click on this option, you may see this thing. So here you just need to click on back to WordPress editor. Okay, here, and it will give you this information. Click on continue. So after you will come here, you simply have to paste this thing, or you simply have to write close bracket like this, close bracket, sorry, this bracket, and from here you need to write WooCommerce, then you need to put underscore, and then you need to write checkout, and then close the bracket. Okay, you need to simply write this code like I have written here. Okay, but I will going to delete this for example just to show you. Then after you will do this, you simply have to click on update, and after you will do this, you simply have to click on back to step editing, and after you will do this, you simply have to click on back. Okay, so after this you simply need to do one thing, that you simply have to go to this thank you page and you need to click on edit. Okay, so just go here and click on edit. Now from here just click on edit with Elementor. Now here you need to design your thank you page. So what you can do, you can just click on this plus button. From here just add the first column from, and now just click on these three dots, six dots here like this, and here you can just drag the heading here and you can write thanks for purchasing like this, Okay, now just central align it, and now you can increase the size of this. For example, let's say I add this, very simple. And from style you can change the color. For example, if I want to make it black, I can do that. And after that, what you can do, you can just click on this plus button. Now here you can also add videos if you want to, but right now I just want to add button because I have one website that is related to online pages. Here you can see I have website academy.beingcommerce.in. So I want that whenever people purchase anything, I want them to go to the dashboard section. So from here they can see the courses they have purchased. Okay, so I will just copy this link and I will go to Elementor. Now here I just need to add one button. Okay, so here just search for button and just drag this button here like this, and from here you can write see the course you purchased like this. I will center align it, or I will just click on justify. Now here, okay, I did one mistake. That mistake is that in the link section you need to provide the link of this page. So this is the link which you have copied. Just paste the link here and just click on this link option, and from here just open in a new window. Now here in the text section you can write view the course you purchased. Okay, so whenever someone will purchase anything, they will see this button. So after they will click the button, they will go to the courses section, and from here they can see the product and services they have purchased. Okay, so this is the thing I want to add, and you can also color it. For example, I want it to be bit red like this. This will be the good color. And now here you can add more products, you can add more videos. For example, if you will select this, so you can see if you will click on this 9 button, so here you will also get one video option. You can add video of thank you page, or you can add more products. Okay, so you can do that. So for now I will keep this only. So you can add more products of yours, and you can also even offer discount code here. Okay, so for now I just want this to be like this, and I will simply click on update. From here you will see this button update. Just update it. Now my thank you page is successfully made. So now whenever someone will buy any product and services, so they will come to this page. Very simple. Now again go to the cart flow section. So now here you need to simply click on save settings. Now you need to click on back. So now guys, after you will do this, you simply need to click on this flow settings from here, and now here it will ask for a global checkout. So you simply have to select this, and you need to select checkout Woo like this, and you need to simply click on save settings. Now just again go to flows. Now again just select this global checkout. So now you can see it is telling global checkout. So that means your thank you page is successfully configured. So whenever now someone will going to purchase any product and services from your website, they will going to go to the thank you page which you have designed. Very simple. You can use your creativity more inside your thank you page, but in general I want to give you one very simple data. But in general I have just given you very simple scenario. So here you can see you can even add images, videos, button, text, etc, etc. Just do and drop it, and you can use all your creativity in your thank you page to increase your sales more. Okay, so this was the today videos where we have taught you how you can add one thank you page very easily. Okay, so I will see you in the next video guys. Thank you. Also guys, before we end the video, please follow us on Instagram. We have 46,000 plus followers. Also you can follow us on Facebook page. We have around 101,000 plus followers. Also guys, if you want to learn how to make blogging website, how to make professional e-commerce website, or how you can create your own online courses website, all professional websites, I have made one course on. Please check that down in description box where I have provided 3 links on how to create blogging website and how to create professional e-commerce website and how you can create a professional online courses website. So this was all about today's video guys. Bye bye. Thank you.